Hello, do you know what I mean by measurements and double? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. Now the easiest way to show you this is via picture form. But double could mean by numbers, by shapes, by money amounts, by anything, okay? But the easiest way to show you this is by doing a little drawing to show you what double means. So, imagine if we had a circle like this. Now double just means if I said, what is double the size of this? It means if you could imagine drawing this plus another one and how big that would be. So if it was money, it would be if I had that amount plus that amount, what would it be? It's double the amount. So in this case, I'll try my best to draw it, but it would look something like that. So it's double the size. And then you had this one and double that one, then it would be even bigger, wouldn't it? Because it's twice of that. So that's double, 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 okay? And that's all double means. So it's when you double the value, so times it by 2. So remember that when you're looking at money, numbers, shapes, anything. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you the next one. Bye!